Okay, this is Ivor. Today, let me show you how to install our instant electric water heater with the remote control function. Okay, so firstly, we should prepare electric drill, testament pen, and pencil, ruler. Okay, let's show you inside. We have the remote controller. Also have the manual and two handling panel. This is our instant electric water heater machine. Okay, we use the ruler to measure the distance between the two handling panels. It is about 20 centimeters. Then we highlight on the wall. We offer you two handling panels and four screws. Tighten the screw and handling panel on the wall. And second handling panel. Hang the machine on the wall. Of course, you can install the machine under the kitchen sink. It supports any angle installation, but we not suggest you handstand the machine. Next part, we connect with the power cable. Before you connect with the breaker, you should use the testament pen to check the breaker. Okay, that's no problem. Connect with the light cable, electrical cable, and earth cable. Next part, we should connect with the inlet and outlet water pipe. Please remember you put the gas key inside. The outlet water pipe can connect with the shower head. Supply the cold water first. Power on the breaker. Turn on the machine. Okay, we finished the installation of the machine. The LED digital will display outlet water temperature, inlet water temperature, power rating, water flow, and so on. Now we set to 45 degrees. We wash the hand and try the outlet water temperature. It is very hot now, and the machine keep the outlet water temperature constant. We set down to 42 degrees. It will decrease so fastly. If we install the machine under the kitchen sink, we can also install the remote controller over the sink. It will convenient for our use. We can easy to control the outlet water temperature by this remote controller. Besides, we stop the tap water. The machine will stop heating automatically. Next time, we just need to turn on the tap water. The machine will heat again. This is our instant electric water heater model YK55 with remove controller function. Our manual also will show you malfunction code. If you have any question, welcome to contact us.